Hello guys, so today we'll be showing you our integration of DFRobot's Gravity Offline Language Learning Voice Recognition Sensor for Arduino with our EVN board over here. So as you can see here, the sensor is placed up here. The EVN over here is driving these two NXT motors and is driving a very simple drive base just with two tank threads. So we'll be switching over to Arduino 1 where we will show you some bits of the code. So a lot of this code is actually taken from the website that you saw just now, DFRobot's website. And the few additions that we have will be with the EVN library to instantiate certain things that you see on the robot here. So right from the beginning, what we see is that we are including the EVN library as well as the DFRobot's library for this sensor. We are defining the LED's pin, and then from lines 6 to 8, these are the three important things that will allow the robot to run. So on line 6, we create a board. On lines 7 and 8, we define the two motors which are on ports 2 and 3, and we tell EVN library that these are NXT large motors so that it knows which PID tuning to use. So following from here, line 10 is where you will see the DFRobot sensor being created, and then you can see us using the second core on the RP2040. So this is useful to us because we are using this to set up the two motors as you can see here. So moving on to the main setup on the regular core, you can see that we are beginning the board and then we are setting port 16 to be used. Once that is done, most of the stuff that you see below will be pertaining to DFRobot's own sample code. So just initializing the sensors, a few input commands, and then we'll go on to the main loop. So the main loop is actually relatively simple. We are asking the sensor for the command ID that is being issued by voice, and then we have a simple switch case. In this case, we have issued a few commands. Case 22 will make the robot run in a forward manner, and case 23 will make the robot move backwards. Both of them will run for 2 seconds at a set speed of 40 RPM, rotations per minute. And by default, it simply just prints the command ID followed by a 0.3 second wait. So now, let's go back to the first case and take a look. What I'll do is I'll issue the voice command to the robot. So, go forward. Okay, so I was supposed to issue the second command first, but in that case, let's move on to the next one. So the next command is retreat.
Done.
Retreat.
Done.
Go forward. Yeah, so as you can see, the EVN robot responds really nicely, and we are able to integrate this DFRobot sensor module without much modification to the original code, apart from creating these motors that we need to run the robot. So thank you for watching this demo, and we hope that you'll check out our Kickstarter. Bye!